behind it. Where are we? Right there. Wait. What? Wake up, Melon. Wake up. What? We are stranded. What do you mean stranded? Oh my god. We are stranded? And how are we supposed to even get anywhere from here? I don't know. Okay. Get that thing away. I need to tell everybody else. Everybody wake up. What? Hey, stop that. Please, guys. Where are we? Stranded. What do you mean stranded? Come on, get off my head. It's so crowded on this boat. Hey, Corn. There's literally plenty of space for you. And there's so much you decide to push me. Stop, guys. I'm not doing this. Lollipop can't breathe. And back up. No, come on. Our raft is perfect, isn't it? Yep. I don't know what Teal Lollipop is doing, but she has to get up. I'm just tired. Okay, so what are you gonna do? I've been at this. Been at what? Wait, where is it? I swear I had the fish. Oh no, I accidentally lost it in the water. Now I won't have it. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Because we are clearly close. And I'm scared of that water. So whatever's under there, I don't want to know. If we don't do anything, it's going to become nighttime. I don't want that to become. Go back to atmosphere. Do you see anything changing? No, not much. All I see is you on the moon. Stop joking, idiot. Hey, you have to stop fighting with me. or you'll be my food. Okay, chill. Yeah, that's where I sucked. Well, I actually hate you. So what are we gonna do? I don't know. Yeah, I should maybe do something. Whoa. I am not kidding. Did you just lick me? You freak. You are a lollipop. Get out of the raft. I'm gonna just find some fish. Never mind, I'll keep on floating. I'm going anyways. Oh help, this fish is heavy. Wait, you got a fish? This fish is only for me though, cause I earned it. Well, it's not even cooked and it's not even dead. Okay, then I'm just gonna bang it on the raft. Move your feet. Okay, chill. Die. Ow. Dead. Should we try to do the same as Melon? Yeah. That's the only way to get food. Food is basically nowhere else but just lift up. Bunk. Oh, the fish is very hard. My bare hands got hurt by this. That was yummy. How was that yummy? I lived in the wild for so long. I grew up in a garden. So anything from the wild tastes good. You're disgusting. Well, you look even disgustinger. I can taste. One time someone threw a lollipop on me. It tasted disgusting. Hey, don't talk about my lollipops. Can't even be talking when I'm more loved than you. I'm more loved. Shut up. Guys, can we stop fighting? It's nighttime. So, you scared? No, I'm not saying that the fact that I'm not scared comes towards the surface. Wait, no, did you not see light, or is it just me? Yeah, I did see light. Melon, watch out. What? Ah! It is mad. Ah, help, guys. Poor Melon. Ah, left feet. Ow! Okay, now Melon is gone. Right, guys? Yeah, Melon is gone. Yeah, Melon's done. He is done. He is gone done. He is not going to be here anymore. So what do we go do? Just stand still? No, I'm moving. Is there anything else that we going to have to deal with? Or what? I don't think so. But yeah, I think it's becoming more. It's becoming morning. Finally. Hello, sun. So guys, I don't know. Oh, windy day. You know, yeah. It started to wind. Okay, I don't even know why I'm here. And I do not want to go in the water. Good. I hate water. I'm like Kit going into water too, like a kitty. Flat. And I killed him many years ago. So, what are we gonna do? It's not like we're gonna attack.
Yeah. Why are you here? I thought you was at work.
Yes, I got up at 11.
Yay, Sammy. Mommy,
Can I what?
Not disturb.
Huh?
Can you not disturb?
Not disturb you?
Yeah, we're still talking. Come.
Okay, go ahead. I gotta pee.
So yeah. So what are you gonna do? I don't know. At this point, I'm gonna do what Melon does. Go underwater and find the fish. Here you go, ocean. And since I'm skinny, oh, I hate the water. This is so salty. But I'm gonna have to do it. Oh, this one is gonna be a big one.